Hi everyone and welcome to this week's video. Thank you again for joining me this week. This week I have one new thing for you. So we have these new Lots of Rocks rhinestones kits from Young Nails. I'll give you a quick peek at those. So these guys come with a little daughter tool, or I guess a pickup tool for the rhinestones. So it's a wax tip and it has like a really small daughter on one side. And it also comes with its own glue. So this Young Nails nail glue. I have to admit, I have not tried these out yet. They are brand new and I just don't have enough clients that wear rhinestones to have tried them. But the ladies that have tried them have liked it so far. Things are working well. And there is a 1440 count on those rhinestones. So there's 1,440. And they are a glass rhinestone. They're not Swarovski, to the best of our knowledge, but they are glass. So they still have that really great shine of a Swarovski. So people are really liking those and they're super affordable too. So those are available now. And then today I just have a really pretty spring tutorial, again, sort of Pinterest inspired for you guys, and I hope that you enjoy it. As always, thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing, and thank you again for joining me. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the section below, and don't forget you can also support us by liking us on Facebook and following us on Instagram.